Once the sun comes up, it is going to be heating up very quickly out there. 84 degrees taking you out to the UNT campus. Feels like it's 89 right now, so it's a very warm morning, and that's what we're going to be dealing with around the Metroplex, generally in the lower 80s. So it hasn't cooled off a whole lot, and it won't around the Metroplex. Now we'll get into the upper 70s, heading out to Weatherford at 79 right now, along with Mesquite and Terrell. But for the most part, around the Metroplex, we're going to be looking at low 80s heading out the door. Now, as we go through the day today, we will see at least a very slim chance for an isolated thunderstorm, believe it or not. Now, we had a cluster of showers and storms that have put an outflow across our area, so along that boundary, can't rule out some isolated showers and thunderstorms. Those storms up into Oklahoma and the outflow from those drifting on over the Red River. So somewhere across North Texas today, there may be an isolated thunderstorm, enough instability and plenty of moisture in place for that to happen during peak heating. So just something to keep in mind as we look at the timecast going through the day. Again, kind of hard to pinpoint exactly where and if we will see any showers and thunderstorms, but there may be one or two around. Coverage right now 10% at best across our area, but those won't be lasting long, and it certainly won't be enough to break the heat unless you're right underneath one of those storms. So just something that we're going to be keeping an eye on as we go through the day today. Otherwise, the heat, it is over a large part of the region here. Anywhere you go, we're looking at near triple-digit heat, heading down to Austin, San Antonio, out across the Panhandle, the Arkansas region, and north of the Red River today as well. So we do have the heat alerts in effect, and you see those excessive heat warnings up into eastern Oklahoma, a large part of Arkansas, Louisiana, all the way over into Mississippi a little bit later on today. So yes, we will have heat and mainly rain free across our area. So we're talking about a trace at best, maybe a tenth of an inch in some places if we do get those isolated storms, and that will be today and tomorrow if we see that. Otherwise, here's that forecast for you. Over the next 14 days, we'll be up around 102 today. Tomorrow around 103. Again, I'm inserting a slight chance, 10% chance for an isolated thunderstorm during the afternoon hours, 103 to 104 on Saturday and Sunday. And then as we get into next week, temperatures begin to come down by the middle of the week, it looks like. We're still looking at near triple digits by next Wednesday, but then some upper 90s out there. And we'll have, again, a slight chance for some showers and thunderstorms well down the road as we end up getting into the last week of August there. But still, those temperatures not quite as hot in the upper 90s going into next weekend.